Hi planner friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider liking and subscribing. I would really appreciate that. So this week's spread is inspired by Oreos because Saturday the 6th is National Oreo Day. So I decided that Oreos would be appropriate. Also, one of the rabbis that I have worked with in the past, this is his favorite cookie because they are kosher. So shout out to Rabbi Ron, who kind of inspired this weekly spread. So here you see I have a whole bunch of Oreo stickers that I just looked online and printed whatever Oreo stickers I thought, or Oreo images I thought were appropriate. Then this is the masking tape or the washi tape that I'm going to be using. And I ended up going with just a couple of out of the 10 that you see on the screen here. And I went through and I kind of tried to figure out what I feel goes best with the spread or with the theme. And I really wish that I would have had something blue to match that Oreo sticker that you see on the 6th there, but I don't have anything blue. I have like turquoise, but nothing is exactly the color of that Oreo label. So I decided, all right, well, let's go with my favorite colors, which happen to be pink. And I'm sure you guys can probably tell because I've used a lot of pink in my spreads in the past. So this is what I decided on. It's got little hearts. They're kind of foil hearts, I guess. They're shiny, they're pretty. And then I just went ahead and placed some of the heart washi tape across the lines or horizontally across the pages. And then I tried to lift up that Oreo sticker to make sure that the washi goes underneath it. Well, I found out that didn't work very well because this washi is actually very shiny and wax tapey. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So the top and the bottom part of that Oreo sticker are constantly coming up and it is driving me crazy. But that's okay. I will somehow get over it. And then I went in with a marker and I did the vertical lines for the boxes, and you can't really tell, but it's in a brownish color that kind of matches. And then I got this really awesome washi tape from Daiso, and it has to-do list and also daily tasks. And I went in with the yellowy one as compared to the white one that you see on the screen there, because I just kind of felt like it fit a little bit better color-wise with everything. And you can see that these stickers, they are pretty long. So I ended up sticking one down, and then I had to do some washi tape surgery to make sure that I cut it correctly. And then I didn't want to waste the rest of that sticker or the rest of that washi, so I used up little scraps of it on the spread too, and you'll see that coming up in just a second here. One thing about these washi to-do list stickers from Daiso is they are really hard to write on. So the regular pens that I typically use, they didn't work. So I had to go in with a thin permanent marker to write on those, but that's okay. It's a learning curve. I still really, really like these, and I'm definitely going to be using them in my future spreads. And then I went ahead and cleaned everything up and added another little washi tape box on the side in the notes section. And that is pretty much it. So thank you again for joining my YouTube video for this weekly plan with me. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.